Hello, scholars. It's Magister Bennett here to talk to you about how we take notes in my class. It's a pretty straightforward and hopefully simple process that still leads to you learning the material. Generally, we will take notes over sections out of our textbook, and I will assign those to you in class periodically. So this is an example from a section in our textbook titled National Unification. Page numbers are right here. Okay, on the handouts that I give you for notes, and this is updated in Teams to where you could print these blank sheets out. The front page of our note sheets say there are 4 boxes that all say concepts. It says, what key concepts or ideas do you think are important and worth holding on to from the text or lecture? So in this example, I think the scholar broke down this like the part of our textbook we were taking our notes over into sections, and usually that's broken down by they'll have section headings in red and blue, and then you can see that she's doing bullet points for all the concepts that she thinks are important. So section title was Breakdown of the Concert of Europe. She writes that Germany and Italy were unified by 1871, and a little bit about the Crimean War. And this is so the front sheet is all concepts. It's all facts from your reading. If you need more than just one sheet of paper, well then put it on a piece of notebook paper. You could easily carve up a piece of notebook paper into 4 boxes that all said concepts on it. So however many notes you think you need to take to get the information into your head is what I assign. Some people take more, some take less. Be careful that you don't take too few. For this section, if you were only to have this 1 box filled, I know that you didn't really put much effort into it. On the back side of the page, this is where for me it gets more fun. Challenge. What ideas, positions, or assumptions do you want to challenge or argue with in the text or lecture? Do you disagree with something that I said if I'm lecturing that the book said? And the student said, I would like to challenge how they went about unity, or it seems that they went about doing what was easiest, not what worked best for the population that was unified. Connections, these are the connections that you either make to previous learning or to your own life. This student, again, just as there was a wave of revolutions following it, there was a push for unification of countries, and the way unification was handled could be connected to the way a lot of places are handled, as they did what was easiest. This goes also back to this challenge. There's another spot for connections too if you have more than just 1 box. And then changes. What overall changes do you see in the section that you read? How is there a change from what you were reading about before to what's happening in this section? In this student example, the student talked about nationalism, intense pride in your nation. So you fill out these boxes. They do not have to be incomplete sentences, and they go along with the text that you're reading. Again, the front page is just facts, key concepts. What's important? What do you need to know? Facts and dates. And then on the back, again, are challenges, things that you disagree with or want to challenge, the connections that you make either to previous learning or to something that you know. And then the last thing are the changes. What changes do you see? That's how you take notes in my class. Let me know if you have any questions. Thank you.